In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share your live location on WhatsApp. So with WhatsApp, you can share your live location if you want somebody to come and see you. Let's say you want a delivery driver to come and take something from you, to come and deliver something to you. If someone is coming to buy something from your shop, you can send them a live location. They follow the map and then they get to you, something like that. So let me show you how to do this. Very much simple and easy. To do this, just turn on your mobile phone's location and now tap on the attachment sign here. Good, and then you tap on the location, and since you have location turned on in your background, it will search for your location here. Good, you can see this. Now you share your live location. Good, so you can share for an hour, for 8 hours maximum, 15 minutes. So let's say the person is somewhere around the place that the person is going to drive an hour or something like that. Let's choose 8 hours, something like this. And now let's add a comment. Let's say I'm in a White House, so 8 hours, and then you add the White House, something like that. White House, you can add something like this here. White House. Good, and now I send it. So you can see here, I've sent it. So to stop sharing my location, I'll need to tap on the stop sharing and then it stops. So for this now, the person that I've sent this location to can tap on the map and then get a direction to where I am right now. So that's it on how you can share locations on WhatsApp. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.